Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good in your life. In today's video, we are going to discuss on chapter number 5, The Rich Invents the Money. In our earlier videos, we have gone through chapter number 1, Rich don't work for the money, they have money work for them. And in that chapter, we discuss in detail how they invest their money and that investment gives them returns, and that's how through their return the rich becoming more rich day by day. That was the chapter number 1. Chapter number 2 was financial literacy. In that chapter we discuss 5 important aspects: income, expenses, asset, liabilities and cash flow. So how assets plays very important role in the financial journey. To achieving the financial goals, assets are very important. Our asset column should become bigger day by day and the expenses should be go down day by day, and that will help to achieve our financial freedom. That was our chapter number 2. Chapter number 3 was mind your own business. In that, what author has suggested that how we should focus on our asset column. If we build our asset column properly, and then how it will be helpful for everyone to achieve the financial goals. So that was the chapter number 3. In today's chapter, we are going to discuss much more deeper again on these similar aspects and how the rich people implement in their life. All the game basically, if you understand, is related to information, data and the understanding. And the last one also I would say awareness. So rich people ensure that they have the right information at right time. They try to get the right information, define the processes, set up the processes and follow them and adopt some sort of discipline. So in this chapter, author has given us basically 4 important technical skills that everyone should have, and how these skills will help you to achieve the financial journey and financial success. The first and foremost important skill is accounting. So if you read the numbers properly, if you understand them, income, expenses, profit, loss, debenture, taxes and all, then this aspect will help you for your financial journey. Second is about investment. We talked about that how investment plays very important role. Saving money will not help, or it doesn't really help if you keep the money in your saving account and if you don't invest. I would say you are losing some sort of value of that money, but if you are investing it properly, for sure the money will grow. So journey towards the riches will come closer automatically. Third important technical skill what author has given is understanding the market. As everyone knows that markets runs through demand and supply. We should be able to find it out or identify what is the demand in the market, what are the problem statements and how we can provide the solution. If we understand it, then it becomes easy to earn the money. Fourth important technical skill what author has mentioned is that laws and regulations. Everyone should be aware of local and global laws, rules and regulations, and the businesses whatever they are actually trying to do are complying all these local and global rules, regulations and laws. So these are the 4 important technical skills are very essential, important to understand to everyone for the success of their financial journey. Next important aspect what author has covered is that Robert has given some sort of examples how he achieved tremendous wealth in his life. Mostly all his investment were in the real estate. Just thing is that we should able to identify the right opportunity, grab it, hold it for some time, and when the again right opportunities comes, sell it out, make some money and move it out. That's the crux of that. So that way Robert was mostly investing in real estate as per the book what is mentioned, books and also other investment, stock, bonds, certificate of deposit and all of the investment that returns the money. But the author's view is not that what and where he's investing, everyone should invest in that. No, author is not saying that. If you understand the investment, then only go for that investment, invest your money. Else do not invest in that if you don't understand, if you don't like it. So evaluate yourself. What are your likes and dislikes? What things attract you? Which things doesn't attract you? And based upon that, take a conscious decision on investing. The examples whatever has given in this book are just for the reference purpose only, and author has shared his experience. While doing any sort of investment, we should do our own analysis and what's suitable for us, what's our risk taking capacity. Based upon that, everyone should move ahead. Next aspect what author has covered is that wherever he is investing, he has invested, he should invest in that. No. So why actually author has wrote the book, what is the purpose of that? He has given some sort of pointers. Number one is everyone should become financially literate. Everyone should understand that all the dynamics related to finance. Second, to build a strong foundation with the financial literacy, and if once the foundation is strong, then to earn the money it's not that difficult. Third aspect, he covered that there are millions of ways to earn the money. Fourth one, author is trying to say that anyone can earn money once if he fulfill the basic criteria what we discuss. That's about financial literacy, discipline and all. And fifth one is it's not a rocket science, anyone can do that. So these are a few pointers author has given, and the intention of having this book that definitely gonna to add value in everyone's life if sincerely we understand them and implement in our life. Next aspect also author has mentioned in his book that some people are saying putting money in the stock market is a gambling. That's not the case, or it's not true. If you know that what you are doing, where you have invested, what are the underlying dynamics of your investment, you know the companies, how they are operating, their profit loss statements, you have analyzed balance sheets, and you know on which direction the company is going, then it's not a gambling. If you have thrown the money into the deal and you are just praying something good should happen without understanding the dynamics, then yeah, it may be a gambling. Such scenarios may be a gambling. So if you are investing your money in the stock markets or other than stock markets, just check it out that what you are doing a gambling, or you really understand the crux. That's what author is trying to say. Next important aspect author has covered that to understand the right opportunity, we should be financially literate. The opportunities cannot be seen by our naked eyes. The opportunities can be figured out through our conscious mind. So consciousness, financial literacy of your mind is again the key factor. We should always train our mind with the right data, right information. And if you see the examples, the successful people, their life, their autobiographies, what is the one thing is common in that most of the people, if we see one which I felt that and is all the successful people read the books. If you take example of Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, right? So why they do read the books? Books are the someone's life, someone's ready-made experiences is written. If we read those books and understand it properly, there is a lot of things to get it from the books. There is no need to live the life of that person, right? So it's ready-made, the information is available. So reading of books is what I feel that is important. I have started the reading books. It takes some time, not necessary we should spend too much of time. We know that we have our day-to-day job and other responsibilities, but instead of investing the time in watching some stuff on television or on mobile, identify of time which we should dedicatedly put it for the reading. It may be a 30 minutes or 1 hour daily, and 5 days if you in a week. If we follow that, I think that should be more than sufficient. Most of the time I read the book while traveling, when I'm going to the office and coming back from the office. It's almost take me 1.5 hours, sometimes 2 hours. So I finish some chapters each day, and Saturday, Sunday, if we get some time, additionally we do that. So to feed the right information to our mind, reading of the books is very important. And that's what actually author is also trying to say, that the literacy is very important. With that, I would like to conclude this video, and before closing this, wanted to thanks to everyone who has messaged me, appreciated the work which I have started. The purpose of doing again the videos is pretty simple. It will definitely add some sort of value in someone's lives, those who will watch those videos. And second one is that I would like to also increase my knowledge and become more conscious towards the financial journey. Thanks to everyone.